Hey everybody, Ryan Tyler here with Skiers Marine, and I'm excited to show you a really iconic boat from Boston Whaler. It's the Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. Let's check it out.
We had so much fun today with the Skiers Marine team.
We want to use our team's passion for water sports to build the legacy of our customers and their families.
And I'm excited to share with you a brand new option for 2022.
This is good because you're learning this technique.
Yeah.
Our passion.
Our passion.
Our passion.
Using our passion to grow your legacy.
So the 160 Super Sport comes in at a length overall of 16 feet 2 inches, has a beam of 6 feet 10 inches, 10 inches of draft, and it has a rating for 6 people and a dry weight with the engine of 1,525 pounds. So here we are at the transom. Before we launch it, I wanted to highlight some cool things they do. So first of which is they give us a 4-step boarding ladder. So this will actually deploy well below the bottom of the hull, so it makes it easy to get in and out of. We have 2 swim decks to either side of the engine. So we have a really nice non-skid area over here as well as over here, so we can get off the boat on either side. We optioned this with the Mercury 90, which is just a little bit more money than the standard engine, the Mercury 75. You get similar top speed performance, but you get a lot more low end bite. And this boat's really good for families who want something that's low maintenance and easy to care for. But if you do it with a 90 and a ski tow bar, we actually have the ability to do towed water sports as well. So great engine package, great way to outfit it to where it's kind of a Swiss Army knife of boats. So here we are on the inside of the 160 Super Sport. As you can see, even though this is a smaller platform for Boston Whaler, it's built the exact same. So it's all filled with foam, which is really nice. So it is unsinkable, which is what they're known for. Has very robust construction. So you can see this really long stainless steel hardware, all stainless steel screws. Everything's really solid. So this boat will stand the test of the time. Actually, Boston Whaler started their company off of the 13 and the 15 Super Sport. So a lot of people did cut their teeth on this family boat. As far as configurations, there are a number of ways you can outfit it. As you can see here, we have the bench seat with backrest. You can also get this with dual bucket seats, 2 pads, a cooler cushion, as well as a cushion up in the bow. So like I said, it has seating for 6 people. This is a great all-around family boat that's easily trailerable. You can store it in your garage. Like I said, with the Mercury 90, you have the ability to do wakeboarding, skiing, tubing, all those fun water sports that everybody wants to do on the lake. So as you look at the transom, the cool thing about the 160 Super Sport versus the 130 is we have a little more room for storage. So we have this huge well back here. I can put tubes and floats and everything. With the dual bucket seats, we have a comfortable place for 3 people to sit. We optioned this with the bimini top. So where we are in Alabama, we really like shade, especially when it gets hot like it is today where it's over 100 degrees. We have ample cooler storage right here. So you can put all your cold drinks. It's a carry-on, carry-out cooler. And you'll notice it has a gasket to help keep your ice cold. We also upgraded our fuel tank right here to 19 gallons. Standard is 2 6.5 gallons tanks. This just gives you a little longer run time, which is great. And then moving forward, you can actually see where we have anchor storage from when we are at the sandbar, or if we just want to anchor out and float, we have a place to do that to keep it out of the way. This is also insulated. So like I said, the boat's filled with foam, so it will hold ice really well. And we have an anchor cleat right here to tie off to that's 6 inches. So looking at the dash, you can see we have some really nice upgrades here. One is this dash applique. So it has this black texture that looks really nice. We also have lockable glove box storage here. So if you do want to put your phone or keys or anything, you want to stay dry and safe, this is a great place to do that. We also option it with the windshield. That way we keep the wind off the driver. That way you don't get that buffeting experience. Also, if you look over here on the side, we have a shifter panel that's really easy to access. We also have our anchor light. It'll actually go right here on the dash, or if you are going to cruise around at night, all you do is just flip the switch on the dash. Makes it really easy to do. And then the steering wheel itself is placed out really well. You notice I'm not leaning forward to drive it, so it's all within arm's reach. And then it's very well laid out. I can see my tack really well. As far as fuel goes, it's really easy to check how much fuel you have in the system. We actually have a gauge right here. So as you can see, we have just under half a tank, which will be perfect for the water test we're about to do. This boat's just really cool in the fact that there is really no maintenance to it. All you do is hose it out if it gets dirty. You can use it year-round. It stores easily in the garage. It's just a great all-around family boat, and if you don't want to bite off something that has a little more maintenance characteristics to us, this will be a great option for you. So thank you for checking out the Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport with me. This is a really cool package. It actually comes with this really nice galvanized trailer. There are multiple color configurations you can get it in, as well as you see here, we upgraded it to the stainless steel rub rail. If you'd like to know more about it, check out our website or come to one of your authorized Skiers Marine Boston Whaler locations. We'll get one outfitted for you.